Has it really been this long? It feels like it was just yesterday. I remember stepping into university and being absolutely terrified. Will I fit in? Will I be able to succeed? Will I find the right class in this maze that is academic block? These were just a few questions that plagued my mind then. I can't help but nostalgically recall the unending hustle-bustle at the BTC halls, the effervescent chatter at Coca, or the peace and quiet of the library with bookshelves standing tall and promising. And let's not forget the cats. I remember braving through the semesters, shuffling exams and classes, my nervousness finally settling into excitement. My preconceived notion of feeling isolated and disconnected started to fade away as I came across a community of like-minded people ever ready to lend a helping hand. COVID-19 entered the scene in March 2020 and things started to change drastically. We had to leave behind our life at LUMS in a haste and struggle to navigate through the new normal. But though we were overwhelmed with the uncertainty of what the future held then, we're all here now. We made it. The moment today is a testament that we all shined through and that we will always find silver linings in dark clouds.